Hello boys and girls, just a quick update from the Albion Railway. So as you can see, the Greatwood Brewery section has gone and been replaced by this new section of track. It's going to be a diesel maintenance depot. I've always wanted to have a go at making one, so we're going to have a little shed here, through shed, just a one lane shed obviously. A little fueling point here, I think. Obviously you won't see this back rail, there'll be fencing in the way and what have you. And then we'll have a main back scene there, and a little bit of scenery here, just to hide that join there, just to hide all this. Oh yeah, hopefully it won't take too long to get it going again, come running or what have you. I had a bit of an issue trying to get the flexi track joined onto the second radius curve. As you can see there, I've had to repair it with the gap in that was actually about 8mm. It was quite big, as you can see, but I've had to just solder, fill it with solder, little bit, then grind it away, and it's alright now. That's there, but the track's ways under there because this woodwork isn't even. My woodwork is terrible and appalling, so I've put that bit of track there to help keep the track level, because the locomotive was coming across and it was derailing. So there we go. There we are. So budget and Scarpa style, but it works. It does the job, just about anyway. Right folks, keep an eye out for more updates on this little section here. We're going to do it bit by bit. It's going to be, I would say, yeah, I'd probably say, to be fair, it's going to be about late 70s, mid 80s style. So not drastically new, but certainly not old steam era. We're phasing steam out at the minute, really. I like steam, but I prefer my diesels. So the Bowerstone section here is, we're going to have this little historical locomotive there, and that'll just run the occasional steam tour there every now and again. But for the most part, it's just with diesel, which is what I'm all about. Right, folks. That's it for that section anyway. Back to Oakvale. I've removed the shed that was there now. This is to give trains that are shunting the yard there a bit more room, so they can bring more of a train in, and they're not interfering with the main branch line then. So you have a bit of a train on there, and they can just do it in bits and bats and what have you. I'm just unsure what to do about the station platform here, whether to keep it or to remove it, get rid of it, and put another little area in here. I don't know, perhaps another goods yard or whatever. What do you think? Let me hear your suggestions. Should I keep this little station platform or should I put something else here? Let me know what you think. Right folks, that's all from me for today. I will see you probably next week now with another update, another video. Cheers now, bye bye.